Mom! Mommy! Mommy! Mama!
Can I just change my name? What's up, guys? It's Marissa here. I'm so pumped because I drank half a pot of coffee, so I am so wired. And second, or B, or whatever I said in the beginning of that, anyways, I am making homemade breakfast sandwiches with avocados and eggs. Oh, can you say yum? How many of you guys like breakfast? Comment yes below. And I'm using my homemade bread that I made. Oh, nothing beats bread. Literally, if you have not seen my bread video, check it out. I posted it on Tuesday, which was 2 days ago, and it's so delicious, so filling because it is so rich in fiber. And I'm gonna make a sandwich with it today for Liam and I for breakfast. So if you like any kind of cooking videos, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below, and don't forget to ding the bell, because if you don't, how are you gonna know when I post out videos? All right, guys, let me go brush my hair and start making breakfast. See you in a second. Okay, I lied. I didn't really brush my hair. I just put it in a bun just to hide the sloppiness. But hope you liked the video. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and ding the bell so you know when videos are being posted. Bye.